Hi, this is Chitra, and you're listening to Hello Educator. Welcome to our first episode of 2021. Nature has decided to jumpstart the year with some unusual surprises, and one of them seems to be the monsoon spillover. Obli Chandran is here today to tell us a little about the boost of rain that Tamil Nadu is experiencing right now.
Hi Mango Science Radio listeners, Obli Chandran here. It's been a long time since I caught up with you guys. It's been a tough year, 2020 for the entire human race, and it's been testing in multiple ways. But hope as we enter the next year 2021, hope we have optimistic future with the vaccines around the corner and people getting back their jobs and livelihoods. Yes, we hope this 2021 year could be a better year than previous year, and of course we still will have to continue our social distancing and the precautions, the sanitizing our hands, because the virus has not gone anywhere. It's still around and very much alive, but we've better prepared this year than we were last year, so that's the good news. So with that, normally every year in January every year, not 2021, every year the January we are greeted with a warm and sunny, not warm, it's like cold, we're still in the midwinter, so we are treated with sunny days. Okay, that's the normal, at least people for most part of the country. And I'm in Coimbatore. It used to be very chilly mornings, very sunny mornings right from the first week of January, but this year it's not the case. We've been greeted the new year, we have been greeted with lots of rains, and as I speak to you now, it is still drizzling and the weather is like completely gloomy, and it is likely to continue over till Pongal. That's the forecast, so which is unusual for January. By the first week of January, the rainy days are over, which is the other way of saying it is the northeast monsoon is officially declared over, usually in the first few days of January. But now looks like the northeast monsoon is still ongoing. It is not yet over. It is, people call it a monsoon spillover. So by the end of December it slows down to a great extent, and by the first few days of Jan it completely stops. Now it is spilled over till about mid-January. That is the prediction. While it's not completely unusual that the monsoon spills over from December into the month of January, but however, what is surprising this time, it's the intensity of rain. It is like really lot, particularly yesterday and the day before yesterday. Today it is 7th January, 5th January, 6th January. These last few days the rains have been like lashing the cities like Chennai and other parts of Tamil Nadu, at least from where I am. Here, like yesterday night, 6th night, overnight, and 7th early morning, it's been non-stop raining. The intensity of rains it's very, very unusual. So yeah, how do normally people declare when the northeast monsoon is over, or any monsoon is over, is when usually the northeast monsoon, the very clear indication for the fact that the monsoon is over is that very dry weather. So the clouds stop forming over, you start seeing very clear blue skies, and the weather is very, very dry. You don't have moisture in the atmosphere, like not much of it. So now still right now the northeastern winds, the easterly winds are still laden with moisture, and that is exactly what is going on, and it's going to continue till Pongal. So normally we have, I'm sure those of you who celebrate Pongal, you know that during Pongal it's very, very bright and sunny, and you pray to the sun god, you pray to the sun, and it's very clear and sunny day. It's hardly has been a Pongal where it was very cloudy and raining, right? But this year you can expect Pongal to be a wet weather, like where still there is rains and sun is blocked by the clouds, and yeah. But of course, after beyond the Pongal, like after 15th of January, I think the dry conditions will return, where the monsoon will be declared officially to have been over. And these clear skies will continue for the next few months until about April and May, mid-May, and eventually towards the end of May you will have pre-monsoon clouds, like the southwest monsoon, I meant by the southwest monsoon. And in the first week of June, you'll have the proper onset of southwest monsoon that will start hitting the state of Kerala, which is the southernmost and southern and westernmost state of our country. So that's the cycle, and that will go on till September, and then northeast monsoon again from October, November, December. Then so usually Jan to April, mid-May is the driest months, where of course since I'm into astronomy and stargazing, this is also the best time for us to observe the skies, because you hardly have a day where there are clouds and the skies are very crystal clear. So it's the best time. But right now I'm slightly disappointed because I should have started my observations a few days ago, but it's still cloudy and raining, and looks like it's going to be the case till 15th of January. So with that interesting piece of information, and we've been greeted with a wet weather this time during the new year, and let us hope that this new year turns out to be a very hopeful and optimistic road ahead. And let's learn a lot of new things using Mango Science Radio episodes. I'll be coming up with very interesting topics. Next episodes I'm planning to make one on vaccines, because vaccine is the talk of the town around this time, and everybody's looking forward to vaccines. So I'll record an episode about understanding vaccines and how COVID vaccines work and how effective they will be. So until then, see you. Happy New Year once again. Bye bye.
I hope you enjoyed this episode. To receive your daily dose of science stories, don't forget to subscribe to Mango Science Radio. We welcome stories from across the globe, so if you're a science enthusiast and would like to contribute to Mango Science Radio, please WhatsApp us at 99522 43541. Your feedback is valuable and keeps us motivated, so feel free to share your views in the form of an audio message on WhatsApp. Thank you so much for listening to Hello Educator. Remember to tune in for the next episode.